Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use VLOOKUP and also how to use XLOOKUP. Okay, then I will show you and I will tell you what is the main difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. As you know, VLOOKUP is available for all the version of Excel, but XLOOKUP is available only in latest version. Okay, so how to use this? First we will see how to use this. Okay, so first we are going to create an drop down list for the both employee name. Okay, so first what you have to do, go to data, then here you will see data validation, click on it. Now here you have to choose list. Now it will ask for insert value resource, just click on it and apply. Again you will see drop down list has been created. Now employee name, again we are going to create that. Go to data, list, insert value, apply. Okay, now we will use VLOOKUP function here or formula here, equals to type VLOOKUP. Okay, then lookup value. So lookup value, what will be the lookup value? Lookup value this. Okay, then table array, you have to select whole table, comma, index column index number. So column index we are looking for this one, so we have to 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is fourth number. If you are we are looking for date of joining, you have to enter 3. If you are looking for date of location, you have to just select second number. Okay, now comma, it will ask for approximate match or for exact match. You have to enter exact match. Okay, then bracket close. Now we will see, now we will match that. You will see this is the same. Okay, now we will use XLOOKUP, equals to XLOOKUP. Okay, then here it will ask for lookup value, so we are going to add this lookup value is this, comma, lookup array. So lookup array will be this. Okay, comma, return array. So return array is sales. If you want to find out the date of joining, you have to just click on it. If you want to find out the location, you have to just select that. Okay, now comma, now we have to close it. Okay, now we are going to match it. So here you will see Rajat Patidar, so same. Okay, now I will show you what is the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. So if I add anything here, if I add any column here, okay, if I select here and add a column, insert a column, okay, left. So here you will see value will be changed in VLOOKUP, but value will not change in XLOOKUP. So this is the main difference. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.